Welcome, and as always, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making mac and cheese. An easy recipe for mac and cheese, like the way my mother used to make it. Didn't have a whole lot of ingredients, a whole lot of this, a whole lot of that. Just nice and simple mac and cheese. But it was delicious. Let's get started. Celentani, I think that's what it's called. I thought I had some elbow macaroni and cheese. You can use these or elbow macaroni and cheese. That would have been my preference. But nonetheless, it's still going to be delicious. Okay, so I have some mild cheddar that I'm going to grate and some sharp cheddar. I have 2 eggs. I have some carnation milk, evaporated milk, salt, sugar, and some black pepper. So we're going to grate our cheese. I know you can buy it grated, but you know it has lots of preservatives on it. And sometimes it doesn't melt as good. But yeah, I use it too, but you know, a lot of the times I like to grate it myself. I'm going to finish this up. Meanwhile, I have my water boiling for my pasta. And I cut up all of my sharp and most of my mild cheddar. And I'm just going to pick it up and put it into the fridge until I'm ready for it. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook my pasta. I'm only going to cook about a half of a box. I've salted my water, and I'm going to cook that for about 11 minutes. Be sure to stir your pasta when you put it in to make sure that it doesn't stick. Sometimes if you just pour them in there and just let them go, they'll stick together. To avoid that, just stir. Okay, it's been 11 minutes, and taking them out and put them in this bowl because I want, excuse me, I want you to see the mixture when it's mixed up. So we're going to break our eggs. Oops, that's a soft shell. That's why you can break them in another dish to make sure you don't get any shells in them. Going to make some mistakes. Okay, so I'm going to add in carnation milk. Hold on, it's not coming out fast, you know. Cool the macaroni off a little bit. I'm going to add these eggs in. I think I'm going to add a little bit of this starchy water just to temper these eggs to make sure that they don't cook. And this is just the water from the, like I said, from the pasta that I cooked. This way, they won't scramble. You don't want scrambled eggs in our mac and cheese, do we? No, we don't. Here's what's up. Going to add in some salt. Some pepper. Some people don't like pepper in it because they don't like seeing the little specks. But I like pepper. And I know what the specks are. I'm not too worried about that one. And I'm going to add in some sugar. Not a whole lot. Might need a pinch more. About another little bit more. So we're going to start adding in our cheese. Gotta get this cheese all up and through here. Take your time. You don't want it to sit all in one spot because it will clump together. Your noodles are al dente. That means half done, half cooked. Not quite finished, so you shouldn't have to worry about tossing them around. Okay, on the bottom of this pan I'm going to add some butter. Move that around. Up around the sides ain't gonna hurt either. Everybody loves cheddar. Mostly everybody. And I'm going to sprinkle some cheese at the bottom. Try to cover the entire bottom. That should do it with that. And I have it mixed well. I'm only going to fill this dish. My oven is ready. 375 and it's ready to go. Let me just get the rest of this in here. And this is a Pyrex pan, so I'm going to put it in the middle of the oven, not too close to the bottom, because you don't want it to break. That's a disaster. If you've never had it happen to you, you don't want to. For a glass to break in the oven, that's some work for you. Gonna need a little more cheddar. Just adding some more cheddar to the top. Gonna put it in the oven and cook it until it's all bubbly. Oh yeah. Just gonna, such a little bit left, might as well. Put most of it on there. Alright, see you when it's done cooking. There you go, out of the oven. I like to brown mine like that. Let me show you the other side. Cheese all the way through it, y'all. A little bit on. Sorry about the nose. Just want to put. And there you have it, guys. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that bell, and share. And comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it, and that's all. Until next time, eat well and be well. Later. Where you at? There you go. Have a good evening, guys.